So I think like at the base of it has to come from a place of wanting to help people. I don't think it works if it comes from I want to grow my followers and I want more business and I want this and I want that. It has to come from a place of I'm wanting to help somebody because you're not going to see the return the first time or the second time. It takes a while to get it rolling. And it's even that way with influencers. If you're looking at it as like a business deal where if I don't get 500 followers from working with this person, then I'm not going to work with anyone else ever again. It doesn't work that way because some of them pay off huge and some of them flop hard and you lose money. But if you look at it as an average overall and as like this is my business model and this is the way I'm going to market, then it works. But if you just look at it case by case, it like any marketing, it takes a little while to get traction and start working.